Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to use AI on this device. Alright, so to use AI on our device, first you have to get app that has AI, and I'm gonna install ChatGPT from Play Store. Now we can open the app. And now we can make him do whatever we want to. For example, I don't know, tell me a fun fact about the Roman Empire. And as you can see, ChatGPT told us a random fun fact about the Roman Empire. So you can just use it however you want to. I don't know, it can make your homework, it can help you with something. And I think that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!